Wait.
This is the end. My brother Ryan is just performing emergency surgery. It kind of fell apart on us at the last minute. The base sometimes wrecks things rather than keeps them all together. So yeah, this is. We're very pleased to be done this project.
That's so cool.
It's been a bit of a challenge for sure, and thank God Ryan was here because Mo and I had pretty much almost had it.
So do you want to put all three together?
Yeah, let's bring them all down here. This is the final product. The U.S. Bank Tower. That one. The Transamerica Pyramid. Oh, obviously. What else looks like a pyramid
Looks like
here?
there's a piece missing. How come it's like that there?
Oh, it just is.
And they glow in the dark.
No way.
Yeah.
Well, once they get enough sun, they haven't really got enough sun yet. The
That's
only
so
thing
cool.
that glows at the moment is the hospital signs on the top of the roof.
That's cool.
And that is the Sun America Center. So there you have it, folks. The 3D pyramids. Our next project, we're hoping. I was going to be stupid and do the CN Tower, but that's 5 feet tall. So I think I'll kind of work my way up a little bit. There's a nice Cinderella castle
You
the
could
girls
do it,
would
though.
like, or the the Notre Dame Cathedral is another one I want to do.
Taj Mahal?
Those three
Mom
together
wants
are
to do
probably
the Taj
5 feet.
Mahal.
Those three together are probably 5 feet.
Yeah,
So you
but
could
just
do it.
standing it all together. Hey, Ryan!
We're building the ultimate castle.
Whoa,
that's a
very tall.
Here's King Kong.
Whoa. Hey, you better not break.
Okay, I
Here we
gotta go
go.
grab an air conditioner. Get out of here.
All right, thanks, Ryan. Thanks,
Thank you,
Tara.
Ryan. Now the whole family has
Thanks,
been part of
Sam.
No!
Bye, everybody. Say goodbye to YouTube.
Okay, your mom's out there.
You can
Very
hear
good.
beeping?
Grab it another time.
You heard her beeping?